Hello YouTube, this is Tech Addict Guy and today we are going to learn how to install and set up the VirtualBox. So let's get started. Go to your browser and in your browser type www.virtualbox.org and hit enter. You go to downloads. Now here as I am using Windows then I will download VirtualBox Windows host. If you are on another system download that. I will download the file on the desktop. After it's been downloaded, you will probably need the extension pack. Go ahead and download the extension pack also. I will save this on desktop. Save. After it's been downloaded, close the browser. Go to VirtualBox. Run. Now you have to install it. Next, keep all the settings to default. Install. It will probably take some time. Just say install on any other dialog box which appears on the screen. Install. Do the same thing. Say install on any other dialog box which appears on the screen. Your network will be disconnected automatically as the warning before had said. That's just okay. You can connect it later. After you have finished, just start the VirtualBox. After the VirtualBox had started, to load the extensions in the VirtualBox, further go to File, Preferences, and in Extension, just browse. If it's not default there, just browse and select Extension. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe.